Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the Python code RCVision HSV. So in this one I'm using a single mini with a little webcam, Edbot and Anthony. So the extra module we use, so Pygame to get some graphics and keyboard interaction to be captured. We'll use OpenCV to do some image processing, and also NumPy to do some fancy array processing. So just to highlight the code, I won't show all the example, all the detail of the code in here. You had to find it in the book. So I'm using Pygame for graphic interface. You can see I'm using to set up the caption here. I'm using a little picture to set up the background. I'm using some text surfaces to tell me what's going on. Like for example, left mean that I just push left and I move the robot left. And we also have a feature you can record, pause recording or recording the video as you move the robot around. So we use Pygame to pick up the keyboard pushes. So if you quit it, that means you close the Pygame window, and you can see you need to clear something. You stop the robot, I release the video cam, and CV2 destroy all the window, and basically to have a clean exit from the Python. Here, a particular example is you push R for recording. So the R recording is set up to do toggling. Okay. For example, if the recording happened to be false, that means you've been posting the recording of the video, and then we'll set that parameter back to true. It split up, it says recording, which is text surface 6, and update the display, the graphics. Else, that means when they come in, is recording is true. That means it was already been recording. So therefore, it will set it false. It basically push surface 7, which is to pause the recording and update. Okay, and then of course inside more code to on and off the recording of the video. Also use Pygame to capture keyboard. Stop the robot, up, down, left, right arrow. For example, you push the up arrow, it will set two parameters. The robot mode is set to F, the text mode is set to F. The robot mode, of course, is used in an if-else structure to actually move the robot forward, left, back. And you notice after you use it in if-else structures, the robot mode parameter is clear. So I want to implement so that you push the key forward one time, it will move to the forward position, move only one time. So it won't trigger too many of them. In the text mode, of course, is used to display the proper text information. So if you go forward, you're going to see on the screen that the message say forward. Okay, we already talked about clearing the robot mode. Also, how to operate the camera. This is from OpenCV. Basic move. You open the camera, you read in, you got the flag God frame and the actual video frame here. Okay, so if not, you break out the main. It's recording, and then you save the video. So that's the normal. So runtime, you see a live video of whatever is coming in from the video frame, from video camera. I mean, same thing really. And then you see, I create a little yellow Roy here. So whatever happened in here, I want to capture in original frame mode, which is a color mode. So we call RGB or BGR in OpenCV, and then we'll convert to another color scale called HSV and display that. So to use that, here we go. So let's say you have video camera here, and then from there I display the two small, the Roy BGR, which is the same color as that, and Roy HSV, because it converts to a different color space. So this color it's not blue anymore, it becomes a pseudo color, I guess. So it's very nice. You take the video frame, you define the corners, the top left and bottom right corner of your ROI that you want to do. Boom. The Python software, NumPy, will give you the ROI BGR very nicely. And then you show it and you move the window. You see the ROI BGR is displayed at position 50-50, and the ROI HSV is position 50-200, so that they don't overlap each other. That's all. So you get a video frame, you get a smaller ROI, but in BGR mode out of it, and you get that ROI BGR mode, go through the convert color to get the ROI HSV out of it, and then you just display it. Also, I'm interested in actual numerical number out of it. So that ROI SSV that I pull out, converted from ROI BGR, I'm going to feed into OpenCV software, mean standard deviation, to get the mean and the ROI standard deviation out of it. Each frame, H, S, and V separately. And then I also wanted to find the max and the min in each frame. For that one, I couldn't find any OpenCV software to do that, method to do that, so I had to split the original free buffer ROI into its individual H, S, and V, and then do the NumPy function max or min to get the data in. So I have a lowest min, lowest max, so that these are threshold value that I can use in the next video demo. So when you run the code, you can see that this number being displayed, live display. Let's see. So when you start out, you can see the ROI here, ROI BGR, ROI by HSV, and the bundle of data being scrolled down here all the time. This will be used later into the next software, where it will find the color that it's supposed to track and get approaching it, and I also apply it to where I have two mini. It can track different color at the same time. So this one here will use threading. So then that's the ultimate project for this book. So here we go, we're ready for the video, so let's start it. So make sure Zork is used here, is connected. RC Vision, run the current strip.
Connected to robot Zork.
So it say Edbot saying it's ready to go. It just wave.
Zork is ready for video exploring.
And then you can use the keyboard arrow to move around, off to record or not. Okay. So if you immediately it collect data all the time. This is live video. You see, I just push the button to move the robot, the arrow key. So I'm turning right here. So this is purely user manual control. So as it moves, the number here, of course, the live data from the ROI are changing. So let's see. Okay, we're capturing with blue here. So standard deviation, min, and max are all displayed live. If I was recording, pause recording, go to recording again. So if you're recording and you move the robot, that little little strip of video will be recorded. You can go back in. Okay.